AI.
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 With AI.
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 Hey there, buddies. Remember when OpenAI launched Sora a couple of months back? We thought it was the ultimate blow of AI video generation. But now, a Chinese tech firm, Shengshu AI and Tsinghua University unveiled a text-to-video artificial intelligence AI model, Vidu, on 27th April 2024. It is said to be the first in China to be on par with Sora, OpenAI's text-to-video model. It is another Chinese manifestation of rapid development in the emerging critical AI field. It was launched at the Zhongguancun Forum in Beijing. Vidu can generate a 16-second 1080p video clip with one click. The developers said that it is built on a self-developed visual transformation model architecture called Universal Vision Transformer, in short UVIT, which integrates two text-to-video AI models, Diffusion and Transformer. The AI text-to-video model came just about 2 months after Sora, which is developed by the US-based developer OpenAI, was released to great fanfare worldwide. Zhu Jian, who is Vice Dean of the Institute for Artificial Intelligence at Tsinghua University and Chief Scientist of Shengshu AI, told at the forum, "After the release of Sora, we found that it closely aligned with our technical roadmap, which further motivated us to advance our research with determination." According to media reports, the core technology of UVIT was first proposed by Vidu's research team in September 2022, earlier than Sora's model architecture of DIT, short form of diversity and transformation, which is the world's first visual transformation model architecture combining the advantages of the diffusion and the transformer. A live demonstration at the forum showed that Vidu can simulate the real physical world and generate scenes with complex details in line with actual physical laws, such as reasonable light and shadow effects and delicate facial expressions. It can also generate complex dynamic shots instead of fixed ones. And as Vidu is created in China, it understands Chinese culture quite well, and can produce pictures of unusual Chinese characters like dragons and pandas. With all that being said, let's look at the demo presented at the Zhongguancun Forum in Beijing. This video is proof that it is an up-and-coming tool. Vidu, unveiled in April 2024 by Tsinghua University and Shengshu Technology, has shaken things up in the world of text-to-video generation. Let's go through the things we know so far. The competitor. Vidu positions itself as a rival to OpenAI's Sora, another powerful text-to-video model. Both aim to transform your written descriptions into dynamic videos. Powerful visuals. Currently, Vidu focuses on generating 16-second clips in 1080p resolution. While shorter than some competitors, Vidu can concentrate its processing power on creating high-quality visuals within that time frame. Realism. Vidu prioritizes generating realistic scenes that adhere to the laws of physics. This means you can expect lighting and shadows to behave naturally and movements to appear fluid, more than static images. Unlike some text-to-video models that might generate static scenes, Vidu can create complex motions. This opens doors for dynamic and engaging videos with action sequences or character interactions. Expressive faces. Vidu takes things further by generating nuanced facial expressions. This could be crucial for creating videos with characters that convey emotions effectively. The engine under the hood. Vidu utilizes a unique architecture called the Universal Vision Transformer, in short UVIT. This combines the strengths of two powerful AI models, diffusion and transformer. Diffusion helps Vidu gradually refine the video frame by frame. At the same time, the transformer allows it to understand the context of your text description and translate it into a visually coherent video. Accessibility. The current information about Vidu's accessibility is limited. There's no official word on whether it's available for public use. It's possible that Vidu is still under development or in a closed beta testing phase. That brings us to the conclusion that Vidu represents a significant advancement in text-to-video generation, particularly with its focus on realism and detail. If it becomes publicly available, Vidu could be a valuable tool for creating short, high-quality videos for various purposes, such as explainer videos, social media content, or educational materials. However, without details on its user interface or customization options, it's difficult to say definitively how user-friendly it might be. We'll have to wait for further developments from Tsinghua University and Shengshu Technology to understand Vidu's full potential and how it compares to existing text-to-video solutions. That brings us to the end. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to know how the world is changing with the advent of AI, subscribe AI Surge for more exclusive content. For more daily AI updates, visit our website aisurge.net. Thank you very much.